Welcome. If you're looking to save data or just want your videos to upload faster on Discord Mobile, you're in the right place. Today, I'll walk you through the updated steps to set your video uploads to standard quality, making your Discord experience smoother and more efficient. Let's get started. First, open up the Discord app on your mobile device. Make sure you're logged into your account so you can access all the settings you need. Once you're in, look at the bottom right corner of your screen for your profile picture. Give it a tap to open up your user settings. This is where you can customize a lot of your Discord preferences, including how your videos upload. Now, scroll down until you see the option labeled Chat. Tap on it to enter the chat settings. This section controls how messages and media are handled in your Discord conversations. Within the chat settings, look for the section called Video Uploads. Here's where you can decide the quality of videos you share. By default, Discord might be set to upload videos in higher quality, which can use more data and take longer to send, especially if you're on a slower connection. To change this, simply tap on the option under Video Uploads and select Standard. This will ensure that any videos you upload from now on will use standard quality, which is a great balance between clarity and file size. Your uploads will be quicker, and you'll save on data usage too. And that's it. You've just adjusted your Discord mobile settings to upload videos in standard quality. This simple change can make a big difference, especially if you're sharing videos often or working with limited data. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more easy tech tips. Thanks for watching and enjoy your improved Discord experience.